Internet, welcome back to my channel. I'm filming on my phone right now. Also, I'm standing, and the box of stuff I'm doing for this haul is like over there, so I'm gonna just like walk back and forth in between items. But yeah, I'm doing a haul on cleaning supplies today. Very out of the usual for my channel. Also, my hair is in bun. I've been cleaning my room. But I never like actually bought any cleaning supplies other than like Lysol spray and Lysol wipes. I don't even know if it's by Lysol, but you know, the wipe stuff, and I wipe stuff down. But you know, now that I am adulting, not really, I figured I could have some cleaning supplies because at my dad's house I do have my own bathroom, so I like to keep it clean, but I have all this new stuff that I want to share with you guys because it was really affordable. Okay, so I ordered a ton, but I got a ton of the stuff for free because I had a deal going on. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start showing you guys items. Honestly, I don't even remember what is free and what is not because I've had this sitting here and I needed to film it for a week, but I wanted to film it on my camera, but then I just decided I need to get it out of the way, and so I'm filming on my phone, so I'm sorry for the quality. But anyways, the first thing I got is this Grove Collaborative. Oh, that's where I ordered everything from, Grove Collaborative, and I believe that since I signed up like with like an email and whatever, that I'll have like a referral link kind of thing that you get with websites when you sign up with them. But this is a room bottle spray. So I'm just gonna show you guys it. Oh wait, the scent didn't even come in here, huh? So this, when you order it, it comes with this little glass bottle, and then it also comes, oh, it's locked right now, so I can't spray it, but it also comes with a an essential oil that you can mix in there into that bottle with some water, so then that way you can have a nice room spray, and since it is an essential oil, you really don't need that much, so it will last a while. So I'm excited to finally bust that out, and I'm actually going to put this right here so I can make it up as soon as I'm done filming. Okay, so here's the essential oil that I got. I chose the vanilla and sandalwood scent just because I love anything vanilla, and yeah, that smells good. It's really strong though, so you have to be careful to the ratio. So the next thing I got is another room freshener. It is the Miss Myers Clean Day honeysuckle scented room spray, and this one's already pre-made for you. Okay, the next item that I just pulled out of here is this Method Toilet Antibacterial Toilet Cleanser in Spearmint. Just because, like I said, I have a bathroom, and you know, bathrooms, most of them have toilets, and toilets need to be cleaned. So I got some toilet cleaner stuff. It kind of like exploded in shipping, and like it leaked a little bit, but not that much. So yeah, cool. Sorry if you hear Bo, he's upstairs with Lucy. Then I got some of this Grove Collaboration hand sanitizer in blood orange with moisturizing coconut oil, and I have already smelled this and it smells really good, and I think I got the spray hand sanitizer in this exact same scent. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, I got some on the outside because I'm gonna have to put some on. It literally smells so good. Okay, yeah, this is the spray version of that, so it smells the exact same. It's the Grove Collaboration hand sanitizer spray in blood orange, again with moisturizing coconut oil, but it's a spray and it's smaller, so definitely more travel friendly. So my next product I got, this was actually something I got for free and I didn't even realize it. It is the Rooted Beauty Sensitive Facial Cleanser with Aloe and Chamomile. The next item I got is this Grove Collaborative Stain Remover. It said it was really good for removing all kinds of stains, so I thought I'd try that out because, you know, sometimes I'm messy and I spill stuff pretty much everywhere. And yeah. Then I got this Miss Myers Clean Day hand soap. It contains olive oil and aloe vera, and it is in the rainwater scent. So I'll probably put this upstairs at the kitchen sink. You know, I dropped it. Oh my gosh, I got a lot of sprays. The first spray that I got, what is this? This is the Method Daily Shower Cleanser, naturally derived shower cleanser with eucalyptus mint and eucalyptus methane. It's non-toxic and plant-based, power green technology. Cleans without having to rinse. So I guess you just spray it. I guess you don't even have to scrub it. I don't know. I've never had a shower cleaner before. But upstairs, the shower bathroom I use, I'm the only one who showers there except for like my siblings on the weekend. And, you know, so I'm the only one who uses it. It is my duty to keep it clean. So I have that. Then I got two of these actually. One of them is right here, and this is the other one. This is the Method Anti-Bac Bathroom Cleanser and Spearmint. It's antibacterial, kills up to 99.9% of household germs. And I got two of those because I didn't realize I got one for free, and I was ordering bathroom cleanser. So I'll probably just keep one down here and then one upstairs in the bathroom that I was telling you guys I shower in. So that way I have one in each place. Then I got this glass cleanser, right? Yeah. This is the Method Glass and Surface Cleanser, naturally derived glass cleaner. Sorry, my brain quit reading that for a second. It's for streak-free shine with ammonia-free plant-based power green technology again, and this is the waterfall one. I guess it just says waterfall on there, so I guess that's the scent or the type that it is. I don't really know. Then these are the last few things in this little bucket. This bucket I got for free, and I thought it was cute to put cleaning stuff in. So the first thing, I got some of these Grove Collaboration Walnut and Cellulose Scrubbing Sponges. It's just a pack of 2 different sponges, and it says that they're made from renewable plant material. So I thought that was awesome. Then I got another Miss Myers product. This is the Miss Myers Clean Day Aromatherapeutic. Oh wait, sorry. Sorry. Lemon verbena dish soap. I got it for free. So yeah, we really don't need dish soap right now, but we have a backup now. Then I got some of these Method all-purpose naturally derived cleansing wipes. They cut grease and grime. It's the pink grapefruit scent, and they are non-toxic plant-based power green technology yet again, and these are actually compostable, so that's super cool. And then I got this Miss Myers Clean Day Honeysuckle Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner, and then I think this is the same thing, just in a different scent. Yeah, this is the Miss Myers multi-surface everyday cleaner in lemon verbena. I don't know how to say that. And then again, I got this cute little Grove Collaborations bucket to store a couple of my cleaning supply items in. So that is everything that I got from Grove Collaborations. Again, if I do have an affiliate code, it's not like, this isn't a sponsored video or anything. I just saw a really good deal online and decided to check them out because I needed cleaning supplies anyways. So I ordered a lot of stuff, and then I did get like $45 worth of product for free. So in total, I think I spent like $25 on everything you saw today, which is a really good deal. So again, if I do have a link that you guys can sign up for their website just to get a discount or some free products sent to you with your order, I will make sure that I have that linked in my description box down below. But yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's a little different. I don't typically haul cleaning products, but again, I'm adulting. I'm starting to really like keep my area cleaner. So yeah, that is all for this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to stay tuned for my future videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel as well as hit that bell button so you be notified every single time I upload a video. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky.